Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I recorded 2 videos, and one was kind of an unboxing, one was a test of a puzzle, and yeah, my sound didn't record, so I'm going to overdub it here. Now, I was going to try to actually dub the actual vocals, but that's probably not going to happen, so I'm just going to put my face over top and pretend like I'm here for the first time. Now I'm going to make this first video a little short because I didn't know what was in this box that MoYu sent me. It's a pretty large box, didn't know what I was going to find in it. And I thought maybe it was going to be one of those, a new robot, because I saw a scrambling thing that MoYu posted. It wasn't that. It was MeiLong's. MoYu has 4 new sets of MeiLongs in packages. One is where they each have their nice individual box. One is where they come in a robot body, and one in this packaging. That's about it. I don't have much more else to say about it. It's a nice box, great for gifts. Nothing really new with MeiLongs. I like the MeiLong. I used the 4x4 for US Nationals last time I was there because I thought it was the nicest 4x4 I had compared to all the other ones that are out there. It's a nice puzzle. But that's about it. I don't really feel like I need to unbox and re-review those puzzles. So this is going to be available at sometime soon. Check out it at SpeedCube Shop or wherever it gets released, either a week after this video or whenever it is, or if it's like a year later, it's out now.